Hello guys. Today we're gonna talk about TrackFit. It has a project and a user, and it is made by Pergazum, Nazarbals, Schneider, and Ruxi Huang. So let's go through it. So first of all is our introduction. So the goal for this project is to create a console-based fitness tracking program that will allow the users to track their weekly progress and manage their daily workouts, which can then give performance feedbacks based on their own fitness objectives. So let's go through them. So the first is establishing a fitness objectives, which can give consumers the option to choose weekly and personal fitness goals in minutes. It gives a daily entry of exercise, which gives consumers the ability to log their daily physical activities and get feedbacks on the kind of exercise and length of each session. It monitors development, which determine and show the overall amount of time spent working out every day, which adds up to all of the workout for the week, and it evaluates the performance, which tracks your progress by constructing your logged activity with the weekly objectives, and then notifies the users if their goals are being met or not. And then it also gives advices when behind schedule or words of encouragement. And of course, it is an easy to use interface which is simple and intuitive and provide menu structure that facilitates the viewing and summarizes the logging of exercises. So let's see what.
Hi, this is Puglarson, and I'll be discussing the steps and the methodology that was involved in creating this program. So first, we analyzed the given task. We just took the parameters and the objectives of the task that has been given to us, and then we structured it into a code structure, something like this. First, where when the program runs, we have a main menu which displays the options for setting these key features where you get to set your weekly fitness goal, log your daily exercises, and track your progress anytime in the week, and view your summary, a weekly summary, where you can know whether you have achieved your weekly goal or not. And we'll be running these inputs and we'll be testing the program to see how it performs for the video. So looking at the code, we have a global setup, I mean the global variables. We have defined two global variables. One is weekly goal and days of the week, where uh, the days of the week are stored in a list, and then we have the weekly goal, which is set by default to 0, but will be later used by the user for input. And we have daily exercises, a dictionary comprehension that maps each day to an empty list, which will store exercise entries. And next, in the core functions, we do have set weekly goal that loops until the user enters a valid positive integer using try expect to catch non-numeric inputs. In log daily exercise, we display a numbered list of days, validate the day choice, and then prompt for exercise type and time spent. And we again use try expect to ensure time is a positive integer before appending a dictionary. Next, we have a few functions that are used to calculate, that is calculate daily and calculate weekly total. So calculate daily total returns the sum of times for a given day, and calculate weekly total aggregates the total for overall all the days. And next we have view exercise summary. We loop through each day, print exercises and totals, then show the weekly total and goal, finally calling to provide the feedback that computes the percentage of the goal achieved and prints either congratulations or encourages based on the comparison of the progress. And next, we have the main menu loop where in run tracker we display a menu with 5 options and use a while true loop plus try expect to handle user choices, uh, calling appropriate function or breaking on exit. So in conclusion, this completes our high-level code structure and flow and makes the user experience smoother. And now let's run this program and see. So as soon as you run the program, you can see the menu popping up. So let's input the examples that we saw earlier. So let's set the weekly goal to 150 and enter this data. So weekly goal. So let's set weekly goal 150. So now we're done inputting the data. So now let's check the progress. We have completed the 100% of our progress. And let's check the exercise summary. So in the exercise summary, we could see the data that we have entered has been logged. It's like the log of all the exercises we have done. And you can also notice that in Tuesday we have added two activities and they have been calculated successfully and they're listed in an orderly fashion. And on days where there are no activities done, you could see it's written no exercises logged. And the weekly total is 150. Yes, obviously, where 30 plus 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30 is 150. And yeah, that's it. And we can exit the code by using the exit option. Thank you.
The system drops a module design that integrates different functions together. We call the complete text of the code. The second is to design a global container and establish a time index, which can provide users with fast questions and data analysis. Thirdly, outputting multi-level input validations can reduce erroneous inputs. The system also implements a dynamic feedback mechanism which can calculate the progress of daily and weekly exercise goals and provide personalized language and facial experience to motivate users, but the system also has following issue. One reason is that power outages and restarts may result in data loss. The second reason is that the data is not encrypted, which may lead to sensitive the data leakage. Third, it can only record the direction of exercise and logs process. The next step is upgrade the system stronger and adopt cloud backup technology to prevent data loss. The second is to use the algorithm encryption to store data and include Bluetooth interconnection mechanisms to achieve multi-device data interconnection. Provide users with customized exercise recording methods, such as recording every 21 days as a circle according to actual needs. Sometimes including the MET calculator measurements who calculate and display real-time health customization for users. Refactoring the systems, adopting multi-user management.